Few years ago, I started my laundry business from the scratch, not even knowing what to expect, how the business go, the do's and don'ts, the detergent to use, the chemical to use, the challenges that I will face there. But I just believe that the business is lucrative and is profitable, and then I found myself into the market in the midst of so many competitors left, right and center, with so many of them who have so many experience more than me. But yet, I still strive to become one of the best learning business in the world. Yes, in the world. If not in Nigeria, but in the world. So on this video, I want to give you instruction on how to strive in the midst of competitor, even though you are running a learning business from any location. Yes. Follow me as we strive to understand what makes my business stand out in the midst of so many competitors in the market. First of all, you must understand that in every 10, 6 out of 10 persons, 5 out of 3 persons that patronize the naughty business, they always change and they switch to different customer. Yes, it happens many times. You will see a customer who always patronize you, but for a reason, it will switch to another person, switch to another long place. These are so many reasons that I want to make the video understandable to you. So stick to the end and watch to the end if you wish to grow your laundry business. Once again, this is Palms Laundry Academy. If you want to be a part of this academy, you can kindly click the comment section that I am interested. Let's see your view and your hook upon what you understand about this business. And if you are there, you want to grow your laundry business, you don't have any mentor or coach, Palms Laundry Academy can be your online coach and guiding you on how to grow and step on the business. So let's proceed. Welcome. One thing I always tell you is to understand that competitors make you go. In every business, if you don't have competitors there, you cannot even go. That's how it is. The reason I strive and become one of the best laundry business in Nigeria and over the world is because I strive. It's because there are obstacles that shook me up. It's because I learned from the hard way. Some of the things I teach in my channel are the things I experienced along the few years I've started the business, and I teach for free so that you don't experience them or you use them as an advantage to grow your laundry business also. So what is the thing to do while you have so many competitors? Why is competitors an advantage to you? Yes, it's an advantage to you. Somebody see competitors, they have come to take my space. When I started, I saw many people in that location when I put my HQ, and then I was trying to strive. So what will I do? I learned, I started that these people, they don't come early to open their business. So what will I do? I start early. I find that these people, they have so many new equipment than me, but they lack customer retention and eco-friendly system. So what will I do? I force myself to eco-friendly and customer retention and customer communication system, by which I make my customers smile, I make them laugh, I give them bonuses and all of that. Even though my business was small in the area at first, I retain customer through my policy of customer retention, to my policy of good communication, to my policy of eco-friendly. If you can apply this method in your business, you can also strive also in the midst of competitors. Yes, this is a tip for you. To get people to come to a laundry business, especially young boys, you use guests. If you are schooling in a school environment and you have so many competitors there, just get a female who has so many friends. You know, guests have so many friends. If you can get this one girl, make her laugh, tease her, make her clothes well, she will give you 4 of her friends as her guests. And that girl will give 4 of her boys, which are boyfriends. By so doing, you are building your community. And then, I always advise that when you build your community, always take their contact. Yes. While you are taking their contact, you will take them to save your contact also. And when they save your contact, you will see their statuses. Sometimes when they post some videos or pictures, you comment. They think that they mind that my laundry man is always present here. By so doing, even when the computer is much in that environment, they will still navigate yourself to come and meet you wherever you are. Yes, this thing always work for the beginner and those starting the laundry business. And also, don't have it in your mind that your competitors that are there to steal your business or don't have anything you emit in your heart, it reflects in your business. When you are reflecting hatred and bitterness to your competitor, when you are seeing them in the morning, you nurture hatred of them. That nurture will not be your day. It will not affect your business. I always told everyone that want to start a business that just as a POS business, people troop in, you see them in the school environment, in the street, people have 10, every shop have POS here, POS here, but still, people still make money in the POS. Still, people still work in a day in the POS. Same thing happen to your laundry business. So competitors, they are there to mold you. They are there to make you see lapses. When you observe your area have a limitation or have advantage, you grab hold of it. You're eco-friendly, you increase your equipment, you find and fish out the market algorithm, how to win the market algorithm. You know the weakness of your competitor. That's how it is. You know their weakness. It's not that you will hate them. You find out their weaknesses. They don't have eco-friendly. They are not good communicating. They are not good in customer retention. They have some issues. So on those the terms, that's how you use to build your own. Even if you are small, even if you are working from home, you hear what people are saying about them. Even though they have all the equipment, you are just starting up, you will hear from customer review. If customer give a positive review about somebody, that positive review stand. If they give negative review, you learn from the negative review for the person. That's how you used to operate in your own business. And then you improve in their errors and mistakes. When their errors and mistakes is lagging, you yourself do not improve them. You don't lag with them. You not stand upright to fill in that gap that customer are complaining. When customers see that you are filling that gap, they will choose to come to you. And by that which you are going, and by that you are going, you are buying new equipment, you are forcing yourself into the market algorithm, you are beating the market cap, you are climbing. That's how it is. So competitors always make you to strive. If you are the one before, your staff that are lazy, they don't come to work early, but now you have competitors there. You will not judge them and see, I can't pay your salary anymore. I used to pay your salary before, 20k, 30k, 50k, but now things are like this now. You will not ginger your staff. They will not go out and then launch to the deep. Many of my students have been calling me that my staff, they are not working, some of them are doing this and that, some of them are doing this and that. Yes, it's because they don't have computer around. Just let one person just come and open the learning media close to you. You will see they will speak to work. But I don't really advise you waiting for that miss. Bombard them, tell them to, hey, go and fish out. Don't just sit down and press a phone and expect customers to come and meet you. Sometimes you go for it, you hunt for them. That is how you are able to stir yourself up. When a competitor is in this environment and you are looking for the money, how can you have the money? It's by you to stand out and stand up for yourself in that business. That's how you can be able to strive and build up your learning business from the scratch to the up. If you understand what I got saying now, make sure if you have experienced competitor, what can you say to the viewers here about competitors? Yes, how to scrap about it, how to move about it, how to go about it, how to see it as an advantage. Always see your competitors as an advantage for you to grow, to learn. Sometimes you don't know that you are lagging. Sometimes you don't know that you are sluggish, you are too slothful, you are lazy. Sometimes you don't know your staff a lot, that you are being sluggish, waiting for a flag every month. But when they have competitor around, they will not see, you will see the full boss of this. You will see they will know, they will see the fear, you will see the zeal. Your inner zeal will be when you have competitor around you. Your inner strength will come. Sometimes you have the strength to move mountain, but you don't really know. Because why? You think you are the only one there, you are just feel relaxed and then feel perplexed, nothing will stop you. But when you have competitors, that inner strength, that inner synergy, that inner corporation spirit will not come from your staff, come from you, and then you see, you begin to ginger yourself. Those things you were not doing before. You see people compare, you stay in a company in a closet where your best are, you don't even go to meet them, you don't tell good money, alpha, you do big boy. But when you see competitor coming and people are patronizing him or her, you will not stand up and do those things which you say you will not do. And by you doing them, you are amazing customers to yourself. So see competitors as well as an advantage, not as an advantage. Thank you for watching. Bye.